Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install the JBL Go 5 speaker application on your iPhone. First, open the App Store. Then head to Search and tap it till you see your keyboard. Type JBL Portable. Then search. As you can see, I've got this JBL Portable application from Harman International. What you need to look for when searching for this app are ratings. This application needs at least 2.2K ratings and 4.5 stars. You can also check the developer by scrolling here. Harman International, sorry. Here you should see the button called Install or Get. Tap the Get button, then authorize using Face ID, Apple ID password, or Touch ID depending on your device. I've got this cloud icon because I had this app installed previously, but now it's uninstalled. Once you tap it, the installation will begin. Just wait till it finishes. Then hit open and wait for the intro to finish. Tap Get Started and accept everything. Select Allow. If you don't want notifications, tap Don't Allow. And now you're done. As you can see, we've got everything. That's it. Goodbye.